Hello viewers, welcome back. After designing the 3D panels, for example walls and slabs, we should go for the column and beam design. Always remember that reinforcing the design for the slabs should be done before the columns and beams. So after doing that, now we are going to design the columns and beams. For this purpose, just go to the design. And here you can see many option required reinforcement of, but you have to select required reinforcement of beam column options because it is better to define the core parameters and calculation parameter before doing anything else. So for the purpose, let's select the core parameter first. Now you can see here RC column, RC beam. It is better if you select new and go to the column, select column 1, and here you can go for this factor and use buckling scheme as zero point 0.5 and click. Always remember it should be non-space structures and then click OK. Similarly, you have to come to the other side, that is LY, and now we are going to the LZ. And here again, you have to repeat the same step. You have to come to the buckling schemes and then zero point 0.5. Don't forget it should be non-space structure 0, 0.5, and then you have to click OK. Now you can see here 0.5 and 0.5. Now you are going to save it and close it. Now we can see this is our column 1, right? So after closing it, we I have to apply to the different members. Can I do it? Just click the column, then right click, select all, then all the columns will be selected, and this one you have activated this uh, bar and now apply it. Now these are all column 1. Now you can close it. The next is again you have to go to design, again to the design uh, required reinforcement of beams columns options. After going for the code parameter, you can go to the calculation parameters. Here, going standard, again to the standard concrete, and here every longitudinal reinforcement and transverse reinforcement here. Everything can be selected, and I have selected standard. Just close it or go back to the general and close it. So here I have to apply to all the columns. So again, I will select the column, right click it, select all, and then activate this bar, and then I will apply it. And then I'm going to close it. So I think it's done now. I can check it once again if it is done or not. Hmm. Design, beam column options, calculation parameter, standard, and all the columns, select all, activate this, and then apply and close, right? So after doing this, the next step will be going to the, again, same required reinforcement of beam column option. I can go to the, I just want to show you that table member reinforcement, then I will go for the calculation. Let me open it first, table RC member. This will be the table which we want to fill, and let me show you again that now I'm going to design required, and this is calculations, and calculation type design, member only columns, and ULS, SLS, and let's calculate. So it is written that 1 to 29 and these all are correct. Now I'm going to close it. You can also go for the reinforcement changes in percentage if you want and if there is some problem. But now you have seen that I don't need it because these are all correct. So I'm going to close close it. So after closing it, now it's done. Now calculations are done. Now I want to see it in the form of table. Table from the here calculation, table RC member reinforcement. Now the table is ready for you. You can see the member 30 at position 1, 4.25. Because we selected 4.25, 7.5, 10.75, and so on. Top reinforcement for moment, you can see 0.98 in here. Top reinforcement, 2 number 8 bars. Bottom reinforcement is 0.39, so 2 number 8 bars. So transversal reinforcement is also there, 2 number 4 at uh, 13 at 5 plus 1 at 41 plus 13 at 5. So these are all the calculations. So it is obvious that on the 1 feet and 14 feet, we need 2 number 8 bars on the top, and on the bottom, we need 2 number 8 bars throughout. And here, these are the calculation. These will simply depend upon your the load calculation. Whatever load you have calculated, so if the load is more, reinforcement will be different. And now these are the columns. Columns reinforcement, sorry, yeah, it was that those were the beams. Now these are the columns reinforcement, required reinforcement, reinforcement along distribution, equal reinforcement, transversal reinforcement, 2 number 4, 15 at A reinforcement along H distribution, required reinforcement, reinforcement along the distribution. So before now column info, total number of column 87, selected number, full number, everything will be given here. This is the general. These are the column 18 by 18 and 12 column 1 as we have already done. Beams are the simple one. They were selected. Now you can see everything is designed properly. Thank you very much for watching. And you may ask me any question, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will make the concepts more clear to you with time. Oh, just a minute. I would like to show you the mapping first. I just forgot to show you that if I want to, let's leave it for the next lecture. Thank you very much. Goodbye.